Good evening, Pravalika and Mohammed. Actually, yeah, where is your friends? Have they joined? No. Okay. So, yeah, I'll just share you the questions. Just a minute. Uh, yes, have you all done with the homework? Guys, have you all done with the homework? Are you guys solving homework every day? Mohammed ji, Pravalika ji, are you guys solving or not? I'm asking you guys only.
Yes, sir.
I mean, solve at least like, eventually I'm not asking you to solve at a time all the questions. Are you guys making at least like, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, four questions every day? Are you doing at least that?
Yes, sir.
What about Mohammed? Are you solving Mohammed or not? Mohammed ji, are you here? Yes. Now everyone solve this question. I think he is not responding here. Everyone solve this question, guys. See, the functions are defined as f of x is root x and g of x is square root of 1 minus x. Okay. 1 second. I think it's not writing. Okay. So tell me, guys, this is f of x, this is g of x. Yeah, what's happening? Yeah. Then what is the common domain of the following functions? F plus g, f minus g, f by g by f, g minus f, where f f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. F minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. F by g of x is equal to f of x by g of x. Very good question. This has been asked in 2021. 2021. Make it fast. Very simple question. Domain of simple question. G of x and f of x both are simple functions actually. Make it fast. Yes, yes. Guys, what happened here? Look at this here. F of x plus g of x will do. Then f of x minus g of x will do. Okay. Then g of x minus f of x will do. Okay, we'll find out all individual domains. Then we'll do f of x by g of x. Okay, then we'll do g of x by f of x. Clear? So now what is the domain of this? I mean, f of x plus g of x is same. F of x plus g of x. So root x plus square root of 1 minus x. What is the domain for this? What is the domain, beta? Tell me. Square root function never takes negative values. It never allows negative values. I mean, it never generates negative values. So what is it? What is it going to be? Only positive numbers here. Tell me. All right. So this plus this beta. So what is the domain of this function is going to be 0 to 1. 0 and 1 I can include. Nothing wrong with this. Now root x minus square root of 1 minus x. What is the domain of this? So domain is going to be what? 0 to 1. Correct. So what is the domain of this? Square root of 1 minus x minus square root of x. Domain is what? Again, same domain, 0 to 1. F of x by g of x. So square root of x by square root of 1 minus x is equal to what? Domain. So here x cannot be 1 beta. I mean, x cannot be 1. Why? Because 1 makes my function undefined. 1 comes in the denominator, means what is going to happen? The denominator becomes 0. If denominator becomes 0, function is going to be undefined. So that is the reason I would not be allowing 1 here. Is it clear? So 0 can be included without any delay, I mean without any doubt, and 1 cannot be included. So at 1 I'm keeping open bracket. So that is my domain is going to be. Very simple. Domain is, what is the domain of this? So square root of 1 minus x by square root of 0. Here square root of x, sorry, not 0, square root of x. So what is the domain of this function is going to be? Domain is going to be 0 cannot be included. So open bracket to 1. Cool. So all right. So this is what the domain. So beta, tell me what is the common domain you have here? What is the common domain everywhere? We need to find out common domain. Beta, देखो, he is asking for common domain. What is the common domain you have among all these domains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have total. You have got total of 5 domains here. What exactly the common domain which you have here? Beta, look, it's very simple. I'm telling you, just 0, 1 here. Okay. Here in these 3 cases, I'm including 0 and 1, but I'm not including 0 here in one case. So 0 cannot be included for sure. And can you include 1 here? Can you include 1? 1 also cannot be included. Sir, here you are including, right? Why can't you take close bracket? Why you are taking only open bracket? Why? Because in one case 0 is not getting included, so I'll not be including 0. In this case, 1 is not getting included, so I'll not be including 1. So x belongs to what now? X belongs to what? I mean, domain, you could say that open bracket 0 to 1. This is my answer, beta. This is my answer. 0 to 1 is nothing but, look at this. Which option is going to be correct? Which option is going to be correct? Option 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is nothing but, look at this here. Option C and option B given that. No. Option B, 0 is included here. C is what here? What he has given C? C, it should have been like this, beta. Actually, this should have been like this. 1 second. I think after printing mistake, it should have been like this. Okay, this should have been like this. Okay, is it clear? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. 0 to 1. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Children, any doubts here? Yes. Very good. Next question. Guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? A, set A given to you, and function is mapping from A to A. We defined as f of k is equal to this. Then the number of possible functions from A to A, such that g of f of x is equal to f. Make it fast. Jafar, I'm expecting answer from your side. It's a very simple question. He has given, look at this here. This is the complex function g of f of x is equal to f of x. This is equal to f of x. All right. So now here what is g of x is equal to x. Correct? G of x is equal to x. When it happens, beta, if x is even. So f of x is equal to x is an even function. F of minus x is also an odd function. Correct? So look at this here. F of g of x is equal to x is nothing but x is even function. Guys, look at this here. Tell me how many elements of A can be mapped with any 10 elements. Look at this here. 1 to 10. Set A given. X is even. How many even numbers will be there? 5. So can I say 5 elements in set A can be mapped to any of the 10 elements. Any of the 10 elements or 10 numbers is 10 elements. Is that clear? So now what can we say now? What can I say? So can I say now 10 to the power of 5 into 1? 10 to the power of 5? Of course, option A is correct. Very simple question, guys. Next. Solve this question. But this is a very good question. Quick. Quick. F of x is equal to sin inverse of x. G of x is equal to this. G of 2 given as limit x tends to 2 g of x. Then domain of the function is what? Make it fast. Last 45 seconds. Yes, f of x is equal to sin inverse x, and g of 2 is equal limit extends to g of x. Look at it, he is talking about g of x beta, so let's solve g of 2 first, g of 2. G of 2 is nothing but what? Limit extending towards to g of x. G of x is what? X square minus x minus 2 whole divided by 2x square minus x minus 6. All right. So, what you're going to get now, tell me here. So factorizes limit extending towards 2. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 whole divided by 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to what beta? So limit extending towards 2. So what you're going to get? This will be getting cancelled. 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 3 by 7, correct? So what is your domain of the given function is going to be now? Domain of f of g of x function is going to be what? This is 0 point something, 0 0.4 something, which is less than 1 or not. Domain of this function, of course, less than 1 or equal to 1. All right. So can I write like this? X plus 1 whole square less than or equal to 2x plus this can be written as 2x plus 3 whole square, right? Ah. Now look at this here. Can I just solve this? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 12x. So 3x square plus 10x plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. All right. So just factorize this. 3 fours, 84. 84 can be written as 6 into 4. So 3x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. 3x common, so x plus 2. 4 common, x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So x plus 2 into 3x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Correct? So what is your domain is going to be now? Therefore, x belongs to what beta? As I told you, just we will be using WeXL method here. What is the WeXL method says? Odd power of the functions are odd here, which is minus 2, which is minus 4 by 3, plus minus plus. We need only plus region. Greater than region I need. Okay, we need only greater than region here. So x belongs to where now? Union minus 4 by 3 to infinite. Is it clear? Can you include 4 by 3 here? Yes, we can include, of course. Minus 2 also I can include. Minus 2 also can be included here. Minus 4 by 3 also can be included to infinite. Minus 4 by 3 can you include? Of course. So option A is correct here. Check. So option B deleted. Here mine option C deleted. And option D also deleted. Option A only correct. Minus 4 by 3. Option A only correct beta. Clear? Any doubt guys? This is how we just find out the domain of this function. Next question. This is a very beautiful question. Solve this. Yes, what happened, Jafar? Make it fast. The domain of f of x is what? Domain of f of x is what? F of x is equal sin inverse of mod x plus 5 whole divided by x square plus 1 given to you. Okay. So we know that basically here this whatever the thing has been given inside a sine inverse, that always lies between -1 to 1, since the range of the function is -1 to 1. Correct? So simplify this now. What you're going to get now? Modulus of x plus 5 less than or equal to x square plus 1. So x square modulus of x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So why? Because look at this here. This cannot be x square plus 1. The denominator part can't be 0 here. Right? So factorize this. What you're going to get now? So factorize this minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2 times of a. Clear? So 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 16 by 2. So 1 plus or minus square root of 17 by 2. So what you get here now? Your roots are going to be what? So 1 plus or minus, I mean modulus of x. Modulus of x is belongs to 1 plus or minus root 17 by 2, right? So can I write this as what he has given modulus of x? A value is asking, A value I need. Answer A value is this one, beta. Of course. 1 plus root 17 by 2. Option A is not possible. 1 minus, no, no. A value is here, right? So what can you write? Minus infinity to 1. So let me write here minus infinity to right. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 plus root 17 by 2 union 1 plus root 17 by 2 to infinite. So this is my minus infinite to, he has given minus infinite to a union a to infinite. So this is my a value here. This is my a value. This is my a value. Check. All right. A value is what? 1 plus root 17 by 2. Next. Solve this question quick. Tell me, job for G, what happened? See, if you solve that, yes, that square root of t denote what? Greatest integer function which is less than or equal to t. Correct? Then the equation in x, then the equation x is what? Square root of x square plus 2 times of square root of x plus 2 minus 7 has how many solutions? So let me just solve this question. Look at this here. A square plus 2 times of this plus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Right? Square root of step of x square. You read that as step of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize this beta. So step of x square plus 3 step x minus 1 step x minus 3 is equal to 0. Step x common, 1 step x inside plus 3 minus 1 common, 1 step x plus 3 is equal to 0. So step x plus 3 common again and step x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is step x is going to be? Step x is going to be minus 3 or step x is going to be 1. So right, what is your x belongs to now? X belongs to from where to here? Minus 3 to minus 2 union again 1 to 2. This is what your answer is going to be. How your answer is going to be? This is what x to 2. Yes. Getting my point, children. This is what your answer is going to be. 1 to minus 3. I mean minus 3 to 1. Minus 3. I mean minus 3 I got and 1 I got. But x belongs to what now? Minus 3 1. Where it has included? So exactly how many solutions I got here? Exactly how many solutions? Beta, you will be getting how many numbers in between? Infinitely many solutions. Look at this here. You can't say only 2 numbers. Look at sir, you got only these 2 numbers. So answer is 2 here. No beta. There will be infinitely many numbers. Infinitely many solutions. See, what is the meaning of this? 1 to 2 is nothing but there will be infinite numbers in between 1 and 2. Understand my point? So that is how it will be. So option D is correct. Next question. Solve this question. Guys, what happened? F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, and the summation of f of x from 1 to 8 is equal to 2. X comma y belongs to n, where n is set of all natural numbers. Then the value of this thing is what? Okay, getting my point? Okay, so the very simple question actually. F of 1. Let's talk about f of 1. And you take f of 1 as, let f of 1 is equal to k you take. Okay. So f of 2 is equal to what? F of 1 plus 1. Isn't it? Which can be written as k square. Alright. 1 plus 1 is what? K square. So, and f of 3 is what? Similarly, f of 3 is what? F of 2 plus 1, which is k cube. Okay, which is k cube. Now, summation of x is equal to 1 to infinite. F of x is equal to what? 2 given to you. This is what given. Okay, which can be written as what? K plus k square plus k cube. That is actually infinite, which is equal to 2. Right? Huh. So now it is like, isn't it looking like k by 1 minus k? Sum of infinite series formula. A by 1 minus r. A is k by 1 minus r. R is nothing but t2 by t1. 1 minus k, which is equal to 2. K value is what? 2 minus 2k. So k value is 3k. So 3k, which means 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 here. 2 by 3. I am giving you enough time for solving the question, but still you k value I just find it out. Now I just need to find out this value, f of 4 by f of 2. F of 4 by f of 2. What is f of 4 here? F of 3 is k cube. F of 4 is what for k4. K to the power of 4. K to the power of 4. All divided by k square. All divided by k square. So which is going to be k square. K square, k to the power of k square is nothing but what? 4 by 9 is the answer. 2 by 3 is nothing. 4 by 9 is the answer. Any doubts? You understand my point here, guys? F of x is equal f of x into f of y given. All right. So f of x is equal, f of 1 is equal k I took. F of 2 is equal f of 1 plus 1 can be written as. So f of 1 into f of 1 is nothing but what? K. Are you able to understand how I wrote this? F of 1 can be f of 1 plus 1 can be written as f of 1 into 1. K into k. K into k. Nothing but k square. F of 3 is nothing but f of 2 plus 1. F of 2 plus, f of 2 into f of 1. F of 2 is what? K square into k, k cube. So f of 4 is also 3 plus 1. K cube into k. So k to the power of 4. That's why I got k to the power of 4. This is k square. K square, k square get cancelled. K square. This is 4 by 9 is the answer. All right. So this is how you will be solving this type of questions, beta. And please, you do solve the questions. Like, you solve any 5 questions, but any 5 questions. I'll give you homework, not any 5. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Till 25 solve it. Okay, this is the homework I can give you today. And we'll meet up in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.